Whether you're a veteran sales manager or a brand new sales manager, you recognize that the skills needed to direct and lead a sales team are very different than those of being a top producer. You've got to hone those skills of training and coaching, learn how to give performance feedback, run effective sales meetings. Now, these are all great skills to learn and master. Here's the big however. However, if you do not master the number one skill, the rest doesn't matter. What is that skill? Hiring great people. And let's face it, most sales managers have not gone through a formal behavior-based interviewing course. If you walk into sales organizations, there's not a customized interview guide for bringing on great sales producers. So here's one thing you can take a look at, immediately improving how to bring on those great salespeople. Now, the rule in hiring is past behavior is the best indicator of future results. Here's the other however. If the past behavior actually produces success at your company. Because I've seen people look at resumes, the salesperson has a great track record, 25 to 30% increase. But perhaps it was because they were selling a need-to-have product. Now your company has a nice-to-have product. Very different types of selling skills. Perhaps the salesperson was successful calling on this level, but now your position requires them calling on this level. They called on HR directors, now they're calling on CEOs. Different conversation, different approach. Or they might have been highly successful here, however, they were successful because the leads were generated for them by an inside salesperson or marketing. Now you've put them in a position where they have to generate their own. So look at past behavior because it is a good indicator of future success, but make sure the past behavior ensures success in your current position. So keep honing those training and coaching skills. Learn how to give feedback well. Run effective sales meetings. And here's the big however. However, really focus on getting good at hiring great people. Because without this, the rest really doesn't make any difference. Thanks for joining me. I'm Colleen Stanley, President of Sales Leadership.